Oh, I can actually see the rocket.
Yeah, that's cool.
Very cool.
Binocs.
Oh, we should have.
Should have what?
Anybody want
To the moon.
Yeah, I will. Oh, there we go.
You want to see the rocket?
That's so cool. It's amazing how they just send things up into space like that. I hope I can go to Mars one day.
Yeah, that would be cool. Wow.
Wow, it's got that really big curvature band.
Yeah, I don't understand that, but wow, you can really see that flame come out. We should see
The boosters?
the boost drop. I saw one about a week ago, and you could see the booster drop, and then 5 minutes later, you could see it real low to the horizon when it starts to self-land, and that's so cool.
We might actually see that too.
We might.
I don't know where, because usually it lands.
Yeah, what are we, about 20 miles away or something?
It's 30 miles to drive, so it's probably only 15 by the crow fly.
Very cool.